I ran into this last week, Yeswa fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your Best Buy membership online, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Best Buy website and log into your account using your email and password. This will give you access to your membership details. Step 2. Navigate to membership settings. Once logged in, go to the account section and find the membership or subscriptions option. This is where you can manage your membership. Step 3. Select your membership. In the membership section, locate the membership you wish to cancel. Click on it to view the details and cancellation options. Step 4. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may need to answer a few questions or provide feedback on why you're cancelling. Step 5. Check for confirmation email. After completing the cancellation process, check your email for a confirmation message from Best Buy. This ensures your membership has been successfully cancelled. If you don't see the email, check your spam folder just in case. Best of luck with your membership changes.